Hello, trading is closed on August 2, 2016. Let's go over yesterday's calls. I looked for 2164.99 to be hit early. It was. I said gapping down, or at least promptly taking out this low as a reversal signal on somebody else's work. I think it's added confirmation that this high is going to hold. I said if we took out the FOMC announcement price of 2164.25, we should undercut 2150, which we did. But I also said I thought there'd be a recovery early in the morning, which didn't happen. And I thought we'd have a straight line drop throughout the day. It only lasted into about 12 o'clock Central Time. During the day, MEJT says this rally is false, gives us a target of 2147.57, undercutting today's low, most likely to print tomorrow. It's pretty impressive when you have a big drop like this in a pattern which typically closes near the day's low, and instead you recover above all these lows, including this early one. However, all that positivity would be out the window, thrown out the window, if we gapped down and promptly took out this low. MEJT says there's a very good chance that that will happen. Call for tomorrow's 2147.57 with a good chance of having it early in the day by gapping under this low. Well, all the way up in the last few months we've counted in threes. This decline counts as a 5, although this might be part of wave 4. It's pretty hard to count this as a 3-wave structure, and I think that's further evidence that the high is in. So I've taken off my question marks. We're calling this ABC to end gray B. We now look for a gray C to drop. It would be nice if this brown C had a Fibonacci relationship to brown C of A. That's the height of brown C of A. And if you put this up here, we came awfully close. We're maybe 6 points away. To get it, we would have had to hit about 2181.5. And although we didn't hit it in cash, that's the cash equivalent of the high in futures, which I suspect might count for something. The height of gray A can be measured, and if gray C equals gray A, comes out around 1853.84, and the lowest MEJT target for this year is 1854.12, I think. So there's a good chance we're going into the middle 1850s to complete the pattern, and it might take a few months, but that's where I think we are headed. Call for tomorrow's 2147.57, ideally by gapping down and taking out this low early. If this low holds, then this might be out of reach, and that's today's call.